There's looking long rot, he no good. Evil ways, he passing soul belong me. Smoke, alcohol, na club disco. All this pela passing em life belong me. Me like sana, that's all me no enough. Kiaman long lips, jealousy long eye, hate long heart, me hiding inside. That's all you sing out, long me, long, long way. Come back my child, no can fret me by kissing you long hand belong me. Losing evil way, come long light me by making you free. Me lose him all passing behind. No more darkness controlling mind. Me choose what will light belong you and shine. Lord, me giving you heart belong me. By me following word belong you every day. Bible by guiding me long way. Temptation it come me by sun up strong. Now pray, Lord helping me walk long straight passing. People me sabi pun down time pressure it come. Same old habits, same old shame. Old friend they calling me back long dark ways. That's all now me hold him strong long your life. Smoking alcohol light no more. Me pain him new pelana better road. Love he win him hate, peace he win him pride. Jesus double time long side belong me. Me lose him all passing behind. No more evil controlling mind. No more evil controlling mind. Me choose road we light belong you and shine. Lord, me giving you heart belong me. By me following word belong you every day. Bible by guiding me long truth way. Temptation it come me by sana. Now pray, Lord helping me walk long truth bella road. Every day me learning, every day me growing. Some pela time me weak, but mercy belong you still flow. Time devil he whisper me no enough obey me by opening Bible brook him screw now pray. Now me choose forgiveness instead of pain. Me choose clean life long Jesus name. No more anger it burn all same fire. Lord you toss all desire belong me. Teaching me patience, teaching me love, sending wisdom from above. Let my life be testimony of a sinner saved and finally free. Me losing all passing behind. No more evil ways controlling mind. Me choose what we light belong you and shine. Lord, me give him your heart belong me. By me following word belong you every day. By me following word belong you every day. Bible by guiding me long way. Temptation it come me by sana. Now pray, Lord helping me walk long straight passing. One step, one prayer, one day at a time. Word belong you em lam, love belong you em son. He no like go back, long life me bin sabe. Lord me by following